Hello friends, today's topic is this magic formula FII stake increase leads to stock price rise. A report. I am Dr. Bharath. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. One of the major reasons for the significant fall in Indian markets is continuous selling by FIIs since October 2024. FIIs have been net sellers of Indian stocks worth about 2.20 lakh crores in the last 4 months. This has resulted in the major indices falling between 12 to 15%. There are many negative factors for weakness in Indian stock markets such as 1. Domestic economic slowdown, 2. Concerns of US tariff hikes, 3. Rising dollar value, 4. Reducing likelihood of rate cut in US and India. Even though the FIIs have sold shares worth around 1.3 lakh crores in 2024, FIIs have been increasing their stake in some companies, leading to their stock price appreciation. Economic Times has compiled the following data of companies in which FIIs have increased their stake significantly in 2024 and the corresponding stock price returns in 2024. Here is a table. FII stake hike and returns in October-December 2024 quarter. 1. Home First Finance. FII stake hike in 2024 13% and percentage returns in 2024 14%. 2. Lupin. FII stake hike in 2024 5.9%. Returns in 2024 in Lupin Company 78%. 3. Precall. FII stake hike in 2024 9.4%. Returns in 2024 43%. 4. Kalyan Jewellers. FII stake hike in 2024 7.8% and resulted in 116% hike in the returns in 2024. 5. Sansera Engineering. FII stake hike in 2024 9.5%. Percentage returns in 2024 46%. 6. Yatharth Hospital. FII stake hike in 2024 7.2%. Percentage returns in October-December 2024 50%. 7. Mankind Pharma. FII stake hike in October-December 2024 6.6%. Percentage returns in October-December 2024 45%. 8. Tips Music. FII stake hike in October-December 2024 6.6%. Same period 123% increase in the rate of the particular share. 9. Gokuldas Exports. Percentage stake hike in October-December 2024 6.1 and rate hike is 37%. 10. New Gen Software. FII stake hike in October-December 2024 5.1 and subsequent rise in the returns October-December 2024 in New Gen Software 118%. 11th stock is Archean Chemicals. FII stake hike in October-December 2024 6.5%. Percentage returns in October-December 2024 3%. 12. Markans Pharma. FII stake hike in October-December 2024 6.4%. Percentage returns in October-December 2024 85%. 13. Hindustan Construction Company. FII stake hike in October-December 2024 5.5%. Percentage returns in October-December 2024 38%. 14. Jupiter Lifeline Hospitals. FII stake hike in October-December 2024 6.1%. Percentage returns in October-December 2024 43%. Most of the times there is a positive correlation between FII stake and subsequent rally in stock price. Even though FIIs keep churning their portfolio, the mid-cap and small-cap stocks in which they have higher holding usually do quite well in the long term. So as investors, if you are looking to invest directly in mid and small-cap stocks, you must consider the shareholding pattern. There is a good chance that whenever FIIs become net buyers in the Indian stock market, our markets will start rallying again. Until then, the overall markets could be dull and will be a good time to accumulate stocks at slightly depressed prices. Based on your research, watch out for such stocks and accordingly you can invest in stocks in which you see rising FII stakes in the next 1 to 2 quarters. End of the video, here is a question. Indian rupee has been falling against the US dollar over the last many years. At what rate do you remember seeing it many years back? Type in the comment section. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye in all the best.